Hi friends, here I will discuss how to install Microsoft Teams on your system so that you can register and you can use that app. Okay, if you download directly app, that may not work, or that will show you some kind of issues. But if whenever I will share this kind of link, okay, you have to click on this link, and what you need to do is, okay, so you need to click here and say download it now. Okay, so whenever you click on this kind of setup file will download, you have to run this file, and this will download some kind of setup. Okay, and what I will do, I will say use another account, and here we have run into the issue restart Teams. Okay, Steam will be restarted, so it will automatically install supporting files. And this kind of application will open. So what you need to do, you need to enter your email details, and it will allow you to log in to the webcam. Okay, not a webcam, it will allow you to log into the Teams, and this is how your Teams will get installed. Now you can see what you can do. Now it's time to join the meeting. Okay, I have closed meeting. So now you can join meeting or using Teams app, and close here and click on the join now. Okay, and this kind of message you will see on your screen until I will not join. Okay, so whenever I will join, I will admit you, I will allow you to enter in the meeting room, and you will join. So this is how you need to install the Teams. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.